If you're cleaning this in this moment, you probably go into freak out mode. Oh my gosh, this cleaner is destroying the leather. It's actually pulling color up from it. Here we have a 2016 Buick Enclave. It has 92,000 miles on it, and I'm pretty certain this car leather has never been cleaned. The point of the video is this: can I actually clean car leather with a non-dedicated car leather cleaner, which would not be called a leather cleaner? It is specifically called Fabric Clean by Chemical Guys versus Chemical Guys Leather Cleaner, which is a dedicated product. So if you follow the industry, they will have you believe and want you to buy multiple products, as in more products, not less products. I'm all about simplicity. So therefore, it's like, okay, if I need some kind of cleaner for my upholstery, porous materials, carpeting, velour, fabrics of all kind, yes, I do. Okay, do I really want to buy a dedicated leather cleaner to clean car leather? No, I don't. But can I use this safely and effectively on car leather to replace a dedicated leather cleaner? Yes, I can. So I want to show you, and this is diluted down, so this is a concentrate. And the good news is, not only is it economical because it's a concentrate, but it's economical because now I can literally clean this entire interior of this car, regardless of the materials. Leather steering wheel, check. Leather seating, check. Carpeting, check. Floor mats, check. Headliner, check. Vinyl door panels, check. Plastics, check. It doesn't matter. Check, 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 and check. This is the brush that the industry would have you use for car leather because it's natural, it's more delicate. These brushes are sensitive because your leather's so sensitive, which it's really not. It's way more durable than you think. So I default to a more aggressive nylon scrub brush because I want to cut to the chase, but doing so in a safe way. So this is safe because I've used it for ever and ever and ever. So here I am. I'm just going to clean this center panel. Now I promise you, if you were here and you felt that brush, you would be disturbed. You'd be like, oh dude, there's no way you're gonna be able to clean all that. There's no way you're not gonna be able to damage it. It's like, well, and that's how much dirt came off, which is a fair amount of dirt, and I'm not surprised. Once again, 92,000 miles on it. That's going to be a fair amount of use. Now there's a little black, we'll call that a stain, even though I know it's not. It's some kind of surface. Think of that as like fallout, a bonded surface contaminant on leather that I had to just pick off with my fingernail. So here we are. Looky, everything remains intact. What a novelty. And I'm actually going to go in for a repeat application, and this time I'm going to use my non-abrasive synthetic scrub pad, because what I'm noticing is that there's enough. I'm going to guess that a lady drove this, because what's pulling up almost looks like makeup, but I know it's not makeup because she probably doesn't put makeup on her legs. But what she does do is put tons of lotion on her legs, and that lotion mixes with just basic dust, and it gets this kind of beige flesh-like color, and it's messy and it's gross. And if you're a beginner, which you probably are, if you're cleaning this in this moment, you probably go into freak out mode because of the color of this leather. You would say, oh my gosh, this cleaner is destroying the leather. It's actually pulling color up from it. But because I have enough experience and can identify things like that, it's like, I know what I'm working with. So I get it. You want to play it cautious. You want to play it safe. I understand that. And if that's the case, then buy multiple products. Although this would have done the same thing. This is an effective cleaner. It's just not as aggressive as this. Not to suggest that this is overly aggressive. It's just that I want to reduce the amount of products I have to buy, that I have to carry around, and I have to use. So that becomes the winning balance. They both will work. Yes, this will outperform it as far as producing results in a quicker, more efficient manner because it is a little stronger than that. So that's a little sidebar, and I'm glad it actually happened in this moment. I could not have even predicted that, but that was perfect. And now this is where Darren stops. I don't apply dressing because I don't like shiny leather. In my world, shiny leather just means cheap car wash detailing. I'm not a fan of that. So this feels good, it's clean, and we are good to go. And I hope you've learned something. You can check the links below if you want additional information.